Hi guys, so we are going to meet up with a representative for Rosa Hutter hotels here in Sochi, and later we are going for a walk, so please join us. We are going here to the Rosa Hutter Hotel, and so, and this is where we came from, through this bridge. It's also nice river. So So guys, this is Olympic Village, where sport people were staying while Olympic Games, and we are going onwards here. Guys, welcome to Olympic Village. We are just on the top, and as you can see, all of the world flags right here. It is such an amazing view to the top of the mountains. So we are on top of Olympic Village, and it's a really an amazing view on the mountains, as you can see. So we are here on the top of the village, and behind me it's Olympic symbol, as you can see. Welcome to our apartment, guys. Oh. And oh. A nice big bed with TV, and
this is everything changed.
of course. And this is bathroom with nice bathtub.
And this is changed.
And with very nice look from our balcony. Just look at that nice view. So we are staying here in Sochi, in Krasna Polyana, which is a really nice environment. So I guess we should end our vlog, and so please like and subscribe.